A brawl is surely brewing.
Fight!
Welcome back to the channel, everyone. We're in Fort Myers, Florida here with Brian House. He puts together really cool products for end users, and we've got a little salt in our neck.
These guys think they can beat me at my own game. But we're gonna build 2 revolutions today, and we're gonna show you that you too can build this. Let's go. So this is the Revolution 2x72 belt grinder. You can buy pieces, parts, and plans for this project. This is a heavy duty industrial machine that you build, and it will revolutionize your workshop. But just so you know, you're gonna lose.
Hey man, you got all the pieces out here. I'll smoke you. It doesn't look that hard. You just got a little...
I hear a lot of talking.
25 minutes, it's done. You ready, big dog?
Oh yeah.
Start the timer.
Let's do this and go.
All right, so I'm basically gonna take this part first. I'm gonna get it tacked together. Yeah, I like that dog right there. That's good. Bolt holes. He said something about bolt holes. Where are the bolt holes?
You got these 2 locking.
Oh, they go tacks, couple stitch welds on both sides?
Yep.
Okay, push on that while I got it. I'm tacking it. Take that off.
You gotta remember to get some eggs from the grocery market.
Don't need to weld everything out. How you got any of that butter?
Some butter spray?
Yeah, poor man Annie Spatter. Take those right there, measure those and lay them out on this. And I'll take these and just go ahead and put them on this. Crossing sides. They all tap-a-rooney. Still. Oh.
Yeah, and just throughout the process, make sure that axle bolt spins.
You got 3 people working on the one in house. He's just quietly talking to himself over there.
Gotta remember to call Jimmy DeResta back. He's been blowing up my phone.
I gotta beef up some of these tacks. They're hot, I just want to make sure they're filled in.
Keep checking that bolt.
Dude, it's freaking already torqued up. It still moves my fingers. They're spicy. We gotta make sure it's low enough right after that little radius. Line it up, it's all about. He's moving, dude.
We built quite a few of these guys. Most of the machines, if you've seen a Revolution out in the wild, it's built by the customer, empowered by the understanding that is welding will change your life. Think about all the things you can build. Think about all the things you can fix if you just know how to weld.
You're just frustrated, aren't you?
So if you lay this down, put each one of those hinges in line on this. Each bolt.
So lay it down like this.
Yeah, and you're gonna lay it down according to how.
I gotta pull that bolt out. You don't need a lot of weld on these because there's not a lot of pressure that you're putting on it, right, House?
That's right, you're not building a skyscraper here, and you really want to pay attention to warpage.
I got no power. What the heck, man?
No idea.
Oh my gosh, that's so bad right now. This needs to be flat with that.
Is it flat now?
So where we are at so far, we've built the base plate with the risers that come up. We've bolted the hinges and the body of the grinder. This is what I call the grinder head that sits on top of the base. This whole grinder tilts 90 degrees. We've got the motor plate on, we've got our plug welds in. Just to finish the grinder off, to cover up those plug welds, you put on a fancy Revolution nameplate on the side. Of course, I like to tell guys to paint it or oil it or whatever.
Where in the industry would you usually see plug welds?
You can't have welds outside or in the corners or wherever, so of course we tacked where we needed to, but we could have also clamped it, only plug welded it, and then you'd be like, how's that on there?
This isn't a tutorial. This is a race.
Where's the other piece, Bo? Give me that.
All right, I'm gonna share the jig with you guys.
Oh, there's a shit.
This is what we use when we fabricate a bunch of these up.
Grab a drill real quick. All right, Brent, did you walk off with my hardware?
I definitely
There
did
was
not
a-
walk off with your heart.
Bag of hardware right here, and now they're not here. I know it was you.
I've been right here the whole time. You see all the work that I've been putting in?
Wait a minute. I must have put it there. I don't remember doing that. Brian, I think we're gonna need another D plate. You guys got a D plate over? Oh, you got one. Look at you.
Putting it on
Yours is already getting installed. Oh man, I better hoof it.
We are putting the bolts on everything, the spring, it looks like. I really don't know what everything is. I don't know where he's at bolting. He looks like he's just tapping away on stuff.
Take that drill, run it on that
What in the
nut.
world is that?
All right, a little bit more.
Just put it hand tight for now.
What else do we got?
Did we win?
I'm about right where you guys are, actually.
But we finished first.
I don't know about that.
And I just want to clarify, 3 guys finished at the same time as 1 guy did. So who can put the handle on the fastest?
Yeah, I think that's the tiebreaker here.
Only 2 freaking bolts. I mean, if you,
I can do it. I don't know. I had a lot of trouble with that spring. All right, give me that screw.
where's that hole? I feel like
Oh man, this is almost too easy.
Come on, buddy, go.
Oh man, look at that. Look how pretty this one is. Now it's official.
it's your fault.
It's your fault.
I gotta say, you guys did a great job putting this machine together. For somebody that's never actually seen this before and very mediocre welders, I really do appreciate what you've done with this build.
Well, let's have someone else judge this.
We got to see which one of these is the best because these guys are in heated competition over here.
It was very close.
We got to check some line up here. Ooh, we got nice lined up risers.
Elegant.
Look at that. Ooh, look at that tracking. That is lined up great.
Perfect.
Tilt here, how's that tilt? Oh, nice and butter smooth. Let's check the 90 on the tilt. So let's see, where are we? Are we going 90? 89.6. That's pretty close to 90, Brian. Devil's gonna be in the details. All right, we got some good welds here. Oh, we're looking good. Tracking.
Tracking on that.
It's pretty good. I think Brian's might be a little more dialed, but that's okay.
You're sitting on top of the weld.
Oh,
You're
is
not-
that what it was? All right, let's check the 90. Where are we at? 89.4.
No, you gotta.
Yeah, you gotta give it a little Jimmy.
The winner is House. Yeah! Yeah!
As always, everyone, I really appreciate you all for watching, and thanks to Mr. House here for allowing us to come in here and put together these 2 grinders. Now, what's some good information we could tell our viewers?
Make sure you go to housemade.us. You can buy pieces, parts, and plans for this amazing industrial machine.
Not only that, but we're actually going to give these 2 grinders away in the comment section of this YouTube episode. All you got to do is comment down below how this can improve your life and how it can improve your grinding in your own shop. And be sure to comment below, follow us, Weld.com on all of our social channels, and Mr. House as well. Again, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.
Appreciate you.